Hi, I'm Adam Lemieux and I'm here to talk to you about silage tarps. Why does Johnny sell silage tarps? Silage tarps are 5 mil polypropylene plastic. We use them to create stale seed beds, and so do our customers. I'm going to talk to you today about some of their uses and how to handle them, because they're big and they're heavy and they're cumbersome. So how do silage tarps help you make a stale seed bed? A stale seed bed creates a weed-free environment for your crop to germinate in. The process is called occultation, okay? And it's a process by which you're covering a prepared bed, already set up. It might be a raised bed, it might not, however you want to do it. And you're covering it with that silage tarp. And this creates a nice, warm, moist environment, a perfect environment for those weed seeds that are already there in the soil to germinate. And once they germinate, there's no light, and they subsequently die. As they're dying and decaying, the earthworms come up and they feed on that, and it creates this very rich, fertile environment and weed-free environment for your crops to grow. All right, so I want to talk to you a minute about sandbags. We use a smaller sandbag than you might find normally on the market. The most common size is the 14 by 26. You can find those, they're ubiquitous, they're everywhere. Fill them with sand, not with soil. It's very important. So if you have a bunch of bags lying around with soil in them, it's very easy for them to dry out and the wind to get up underneath your covers and cause an awful lot of problems. So it's worth the time, it's worth the money to fill them with sand. And we use a UV stabilized sandbag, so they're going to last for several years. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate handling the tarp. As you can see, there's a lot of water on it. First, we're going to remove that water because if you fold it up with all that water, you've defeated the purpose. It's going to be just as heavy to move around. So we'll remove the water, and then we're going to fold it in such a manner that makes it easy to move around. So in order to fold this, after we remove the water, we're going to start at the far end, and we're going to bring that end all the way over here. And then we're going to go to the far end where the fold is and bring the fold all the way over here at this end and continue to do that until it gets down to a manageable size, and that might be 3 times, 4 times. And once we get it down here, we're going to sandwich it, and then we can move the tarp. Thanks for joining us. You can find more information about silage tarps on our website in the Growers Library at johnnyseeds.com.